In this video, we're going to talk about the data type called double. So essentially a variable of type double holds a number with decimal places. So for example, 2.3 or 5.7. Okay, as usual, as in the previous video when we looked at the integer type, int type, we have to declare a variable of type double exactly the same. So we have to use the type, which is double. Then we have to give it a name to that variable. We then have to use the equal sign as the assignment operator, followed by the value double, could be, let's say, 15.4, and then we end that statement with a semicolon. We have here exactly the same, exactly what I said before. To declare a variable of type double, we use the double keyword in the declaration. So we have the type double, we have the name of the variable, in our case is going to be price. We have the equal sign to assign a value to this variable, and then we have the value, 8.99, followed by a semicolon. The same for this one. Now the instructions of our exercise tell us like this. As of 2016, Android has 81.7% of the market share for mobile operating systems. That is a lot. Create a variable called Android share that holds this percentage as a double. So we're going to use the keyword double to specify the type of the variable. We're going to give it the name as we are told, Android share. We're going to use the equal sign to assign a value to this variable, and we're going to give it the value 81.7. We're going to end this with a semicolon. I'm going to run it. Okay, that was the first step, and then the second step is to print out this variable called Android share to the console being this. As in the previous example, we're going to use the system.out.println. And we're going to print the name of the variable. In the console, we get 81.7 because this is the value that our variable holds.